Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setup for today. So this is the only one that's actually looking like there may be something here, but a big range bar, and I'm just going to put those levels in on the top and the bottom of that range bar. You'll see how that comes into play, and if I look left, you'll see there is structure at the bottom. There's nothing really at the top, but big move up, two moves down, see one move, flag, second move down, and then big move going into the close. Now just look at this on the weekly. It's a big weekly pin bar, but we had previous week we had a pin bar in the opposite direction, so that is just the indication of confusion. Nothing more to read into that, and we've had a break of structure, and we've sort of got into a range, confused, and it does look like we're looking for something. We're hunting for a level to test for a continuation, but the oscillators don't agree with that. They are showing that there's probably going to be a bigger move up. So this is a big move down, this is a flag, second move down. But yeah, nothing really to write home about at the moment. And I just want to double check the daily. You can see an attempt at a piercing pattern to the downside on the daily, but we are in an upward trend. So I'm not going to read too much into that. When we drop down through the time frames, yesterday was a typical Monday, which is why we don't really trade the Mondays. But sideways, big down, big up, big confusion into a zone of what could be support. I'll give them to you shortly. Or alternatively, it could be a zone that we're looking to break. Oscillators also agreeing with the 8-hour oscillators at the moment, a little bit bearish, nothing really exciting there. And when we get down to the hour, you can see yesterday's price action. Sideways, big down, big up, confusion. We are waiting for earnings, so we've got the big stocks coming out. We've got Microsoft, we've got Apple, we've got Amazon coming out. So and then a whole host of other earnings as well. So all of that put together, I think that's pretty much what the market's waiting for, is to see what's going to happen with the earnings. And then we'll start worrying about economic data again. But for now, the big fear here is we're spending too much money on AI with limited results. So we're going to have to spend a lot more money on AI to get the results that everybody is dreaming up at the moment. So that's kind of what is going on. Now, with the hour in between the moving averages here, oscillators group to downside. No real opportunity for anything there. And when we drop down to 15 minutes, we're below the moving averages, so you would expect some kind of a setup for a continuation down. But I suspect you're probably just going to range sideways. Buyers are going to come in at these big zones, and sellers will come in at the zones at the top. So you're going to have algorithms that are just going to keep this going sideways until we start getting some earnings data out. So I'm a clear sit on hands here. I'm not really interested in this. I don't think I'm going to in any of the indexes at the moment for what I've seen this morning. So we'll keep our money in our pocket and just wait for better structure. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.